The 11-month online postgraduate program in full stack engineering consists of 6 courses and a capstone project. The course 1, Overview of Full Stack Engineering, is a 4-week course that introduces the participants with the landscape of the modern applications ranging from web, mobile to the microservices and cross-platform applications. Also, the participants get an opportunity to analyze and prepare the several artifacts like use cases, domain models, and other relevant UML diagrams required for better understanding and the design of the application. The participants also develop the understanding about the typical structure, design and implementation considerations of end-to-end already developed application. They will also get introduced to the modern tools those are used in the software industry. The course 2, Web Application Development course, consists of 10 weeks duration, introduces the participants to the modern web application architectures, the front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with the web application development frameworks which are based upon these technologies. It focuses on designing and developing an end-to-end functional web application, enabling them to learn the key patterns those are followed at each layer of the application architecture and the technology considerations required to choose the appropriate implementation technology. The course 3, Mobile Application Development, is a 4-week course and during which the participants will design, develop and deploy the mobile client applications, which will have the functional component such as the user interface for the Android phones, backend services, data management components, and the connectivity to the external world through the REST APIs. During course 4, the Cloud Native Application Development, the participants will be introduced to the basics of cloud computing, including different types of the services, application virtualization, and containerization. They will understand the characteristics of the cloud native applications along with the elements required to build this type of applications. They will be introduced to the microservices architecture, which nowadays plays a crucial role in developing the modern applications. During the 6 weeks course of Agile and DevOps, participants will be introduced to the vital combination of best practices and the tools that will increase the organization's ability to deliver the applications and services at a high velocity. They will understand and appreciate the role and importance of automated testing, continuous code inspection, which is very much required to deliver the software without ignoring the quality aspects. While doing so, they will also get an opportunity to gain the hands-on exposure to the toolchain that is involved in building the continuous integration and continuous delivery pipeline. During the deployment of microservices course, the participants will be introduced to the basics of the deployment strategies used in the microservices environment. They will also be introduced to the Kubernetes and its usage in deploying, updating, and maintaining the microservices. During the 8 weeks of the Capstone Project, the participants will get an experience of the Agile software development process, aiming to deliver a working version of the application at short and regular intervals in collaboration with the people and the tools. They will get an opportunity to work on application domains, to apply the principles, practices, and the tools they have learned in the earlier courses in order to develop a particular project. Working professionals who aspire to stay ahead of their peers in the rapidly changing tech sector must consider applying to this program.